As a marketing executive, I do not have a typical day. Every day is different. One day filming around the hotel, doing a photo shoot for a promotion at the restaurant, designing some new collateral that we need for the rooms. Cordis is all about connecting from the heart. It's a new brand that has been developed by the Langham Hospitality Group. In 2017, they decided to change into Cordis. It's a more modern, more vibrant, focus to the families. So it's a new brand that it wants to be the heart of the community. The rebranding of a hotel like this, it was the biggest challenge I had. I was identifying all the collateral that we needed to change. So we identified over 150 pieces of collateral, not just for our rooms, but for the restaurant, for the bar, for reception. So everything plays a role. Doesn't matter if it's a small form or a huge display at the front of the hotel. Everything has to be branded, everything has to be communicated to our guests, and everything has to be sharp, and everything has to look good, and everything has to communicate our values as well. It was intense. We had to be here long hours, coming on weekends, check every single detail of each piece of collateral, check it with Hong Kong as well, with our head office there, with the different suppliers here. But it was rewarding in the end. It was, yes, I can say I feel happy once the project was finished and to see the results. Back in Argentina, I was originally a graphic designer. So my background was always design and communication. However, and because my mom is a hotel manager, I was always involved with the hospitality industry somehow. Back then, I worked some time in hotels too. When I came to New Zealand, I was just traveling, as you can imagine, but it was natural for me to go for the hotel industry. Working in a hotel, and especially me being from another country, it's like working with your family. It's like a big house. We are all doing different things to run the hotel, to make it work, and there's so many different industries working under the same roof, from the housekeeping team, engineering, reception, kitchen. We are all so different, yet all of us come together to work for the same cause. And of course you have the guests. Every day we have different people coming in and out. I love to come to work every day because it gives me the opportunity to be creative and be part of this amazing, big, happy family.